Oh boy squad, another day. Okay, it's afternoon and you won't believe what the parrot is doing. Oh my gosh! This is her first full day in the cage. I don't want to scare her, but check it out. Guys, don't look now, but she's eating corn for the first time. Oh, she's eating it by herself. No feeding. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, this is huge. Like, her picking up solid food and not us feeding it to her is big. She's really learning to use her beak. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy for you. Yes. You're well on the way to being weaned. Wow, wow, wow. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good morning. Someone is up. She had breakfast, super energetic, ready to take on the day in her new cage. And she's been staring and eyeing this water. I think eventually she'll learn to drink water. What? Hey! Yes, good girl. Good girl. She's loving all this new space. She hasn't climbed the perches yet, but she's been playing a lot. I think she's accustomed now to the cage, sleeping here, playing. And I'm trying to get her to drink from a bowl of water. I tried giving her a little bit of water so she could taste it using a syringe, but I've been seeing her kind of testing and like tasting the ceramic bowl. So maybe she's like learning to drink. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm not gonna look. You do what you wanna do. Do your parody thing. I'm gonna work. Go ahead, drink. Go, go, go. Okay, no, she's sleeping. So I'm editing here an ANTSCANADA video and singing to her while it's rendering. And look, like the way she reacts to the music is pretty amazing. It puts her to sleep, but also she loves when I hit the climax. Watch. And when the wind blows and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't be afraid. Stand tall and say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, your feathers make me laugh. Yeah, 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 and I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day, and I'll make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain and stand up once again. And I live one more day, and I can make it through the rain. Oh yes, you can. You're gonna make it through the rain. See? And then she relaxes. Guys, I find she does this a lot. She goes inside her box and like she's talking to herself, or she's like playing house or something. Who are you talking to in this box? Huh? She's like, I think she's playing house in there. Seriously. See her vocalizations? It's amazing. And not only that, look at her back feathers. You can see it now. She's got new adult feathers covering her back, new adult feathers covering her chest. It's amazing. And look at her tail feathers. They're growing in. Awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Feeding time. Yes. It's time to eat, little one. Oh my, guys. I have a full-up mustache and like long hair. Why? Because I guess this is the daddy life. You wake up like super early, more early than usual, and you're just running 10,000 tasks all at the same time, and you forget to shave, right? It's okay. When you're a parent, you're no longer the picture, you're the frame. That's right, birdie. You are the picture. I am your frame. Okay, she's still eating formula, still her favorite food, but we've been experimenting with different solids, soft solids, like corn, banana, papaya, plantain, which she loves. One day you'll be off this. I remember when Malaya last year was off her baby food. I was so happy, because I won't have to wake up at like 7 a.m. in the morning. Every day. I mean, everyone needs to wake up early, of course, but I usually work at night, so it's a problem. But if it's to feed this little birdie, it is no problem. I will wake up every morning. Yes, I will lose sleep. I will grow mustaches. I will get kind of fat because of excess cortisol, because of lack of sleep, right? I don't mind having a dad bod for you, birdie. Okay, this is the last one. You ready? Let's make it count. Yes, yes. Amazing that like all of this contains all she needs to like grow feathers and like grow bones, muscles, all of that. Meat, yeah. And that's it. Done. Unless you want more of this. You want more? Holy. You are so matakaw, just like me. You eat and eat and eat. But I wish I could have beautiful feathers like you. In just 2 more weeks, my friend, you are going to fly. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself when you can fly. I'm gonna parrot-proof my room and my condo. Actually, I've been thinking of moving to another condo to accommodate all my aunts and you. Oh my, you are hungry. Why? That's it. That's 4 already. Okay, that's it. Good girl. Mabuhay squad. The bird eats so much. You eat so much. And look at your little, this fluff is going away, the down feathers. She wants more. She's like, I want more. See these down feathers? They're going away slowly. Look at those back muscles. I mean back feathers. See that? Growing in. You're starting to really look like a parrot. I wonder what the Mabuhay squad will name you. More? Yes, it's bedtime. Another long day of playing. Yep, I'll tuck you in. You want me to sing to you again? It's over now. I'm not the foolish guy you used to know so long ago. I'm stronger now. I've learned from my mistakes which way to go. But I should know. I put myself aside to do things your way, but now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. And I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. You know, it's time for me to do it on my own. Good night. Sleep tight. Go inside her box. It's her bedtime. She's gonna try to play, but no, she's sleepy. Go to sleep, go to sleep. It is time to go to sleep. Close your eyes drift away into Parrot dreamland. Your eyes are getting heavy. You want to sleep now. I can see that you're sleepy. See, I told you you're sleepy. Good night, good night. Go inside your box. Go lie down, rest your head. 'Cause tomorrow I have to feed you in the morning. Sleep. Oh, I know what you need. You need the vlogs. I forgot. Yes. Okay, let me go get the vlogs.
But I'm gonna be very careful because at this stage she can completely freak out. Look at how attentive she is. She's looking out at the world below. Isn't that amazing? Cool, right? Go ahead. Don't worry. You can peek. She's peeking over the edge. Don't worry. I am right here. I'll give you an neck scratch. Yes. Yep. See? Isn't that amazing? See, she's looking out. But she's kind of wary still. She's cautious. I'm right here. Don't worry. See her going slowly towards the edge. That's Mandaluyong. She's looking down. I don't think she's ever had a glimpse of this before. I'm right here, don't.
OMG, my boy squad. You gotta see what she's doing. I don't want to frighten her, but after a few days of being in this cage, look what she's finally doing.